All right, we're at the Charlotte Marriott SouthPark. Hey, I know you. So where are we at, Sadie? We're at Charlotte. Come show us. Let's look in the bathroom first. Come here. Let's look. Come on, over here. Well, that's, yeah, there's your closet.
It's a nice closet. All right, now show Daddy the bathroom.
The bathroom. There's even a shower only.
A shower only, yeah, but oh, look how nice of a shower.
Yeah.
That's very nice. And there's the...
I want to lay down.
Whoa, be careful. You got tights on. Look, okay, show Daddy.
What else? We got
Daddy what you got.
2 queen beds. There's a regular one.
But show Daddy what all this is.
And
You can
there's-
that goes up in your bed.
We're doing the American Girl doll experience.
Wait, right here.
Look at that. Everything pink.
And
There's a
She's right there on the
doll
bed.
bed and sheets. And there's Belle.
Get up there. Get up there. Come on.
Look at that.
Come on.
Wow. Look at that. All pink, huh? That's
Your
pretty
bed
neat.
is the white bed.
Oh my
Our
goodness.
bed's the white bed.
We got her a robe and some slippers, huh? And then looks like Sadie's got a robe.
Uh-huh. And
There's
Sadie
a
brought her
nice
slippers.
chair. Here's the American Girl doll, huh? Look at that nice little
Tell Daddy.
bed. There's a
Tell Daddy
camera.
what you did at the
Look.
American Girl doll store.
There's some woman with a camera right
Hey.
there.
Say cheese.
Nice big TV. And then
Say cheese,
here's
say
the
cheese.
view. Look at there. Wow.
You got it?
There's the pool.
Pretty tights.
Alright. Sadie, what do you think?
Great.
It's
You
great.
think it's great, huh?
It's
You
a
excited?
great view.
It's a great view.
A pool view.
Alright.
Did you show this? Did you show all this stuff?
Oh yeah, I almost forgot. One last thing. This is the special treat that they get. A nice personalized letter. Sadie's birthday. Oh man.
Sadie.
There's some pink milk
Pink milk.
and delicious looking cookies. Perfect.
Okay. And it says inside. Have a magical 4th birthday, Sadie.
Perfect.
Breakfast.
Alright, Sadie. Tell everybody see you later.
See you later.